Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to Airbnb your home. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to Airbnb your home, you just simply have to open this Airbnb application at first, and then after that you just simply have to tap into this profile option at the bottom right. Then from there you will get to see this Airbnb your place option. Just simply tap into that, and now you just simply have to select the nights from this section. You can just adjust the bar from here. Just simply set that and click to Airbnb setup. Then after tapping into there, you just simply have to tap into this create a new listing option, and now tap to get started. Now into this page you can choose if you want to match with a superhost or start or you would like to start on your own. Just simply select the option, and then it will ask about your place in here. You just simply have to tap next, and now into this page just simply select this house option in order to Airbnb your home. And after doing this, click to next and answers all the question that is listed into this page. And after answering all these options manually, your home will successfully be Airbnb. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.